Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to put the hole on the top of the train right here for the stack to fit in there. This one's a little bit trickier because it's sitting on a curved surface. So now I'm going to have to show you a technique for putting a plane that will allow us to put that hole there. So let's take a look at a couple pieces here. First and foremost, it's a hole that has a diameter of 0.5 that has a depth of 0.25. It sits back 0.875 from the front of the train, and it's going to be centered up. That's what there's my little center lines right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a plane up on top of this, on top of the train. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to pick, this is a rounded surface, so I need it to be a tangent plane. So when I come down here, there's three different tangent planes. I like this one here, which says tangent to a surface and parallel to a plane. So I'm going to pick, here's my surface that I want to be tangent to, and I can use any of this plane here, I can use this plane over here, use the one underneath, it doesn't make a difference. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick that, and it's going to actually touch the top of this thing. So what I'm going to do now is click on the edge of this right here, and it lets me create a new sketch. And there's my train. Now what you want to do is I need to get this edge and this edge over here and this front edge. So I'm going to use project geometry, and what I do is I click on that front edge, and it projects it up on my plane. I click on this edge and this edge right here, and it projects them on my plane, so it gives me something to dimension from. So now when I grab my point, I can come right down the center line here between the two, drop my point, and if I look at my drawing again, it's supposed to be 0.875 back from the front. So I already have it in the center. I just now need to be 0.875 from the front. So I'm going to pick this, pick my point, put in 0.875, and I'm going to check that off, and my point's at the right location. Now I can go ahead and finish my sketch and use my hole tool, and it's going to pick that location. Again, the hole was supposed to have a diameter of 0.5 and a depth of 0.25. So again, we're just using a regular hole right here. So it's supposed to have a diameter of 0.5 and a depth of 0.25. So remember, this is my diameter down here, and this is my depth right there. And I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. It seems like it would be a flat one that would go here, but again, they told us it was supposed to be pointed, so I'm just going to leave it at pointed or an angled. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. There's my hole that I need, and all I got to do, come over here and right click on work plane and turn the visibility off, and there it is, it's ready to go. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to put the hole in the back of the train.